Hello student. Now we will see negation of the compound statements. Negation of compound statements and negation of or, negation of negation, negation of implication and negation of double implication, and negation of a quantified statement, that is universal quantifier and existential quantifier. Now negation of P and Q is negation of P और negation of Q. मतलब चेंज क्या होगा, एंड की जगह पे और लिखना है. नेक्स्ट negation of P और Q is equivalent to negation of P and negation of एंड है तो और है तो एंड. ये दोनों को मिला के डी मॉर्गन्स लॉ भी बोलते हैं. ठीक है. नेक्स्ट negation of P is equivalent to only single P. Next one, negation of P implication Q. Negation of P implication Q is P and negation of Q. And last, negation of P double implication Q is equivalent to, in first bracket P and negation of Q, or in second bracket Q and negation of P. P and negation of Q or Q and negation of P. हर एक का negation है and और negation, implication, double implication. Negation of P and Q, negation of P or negation of Q, negation of P or Q, negation of P and negation of Q, negation of P is equal to P, negation of P implication Q is equivalent to P and negation of Q, P and negation of Q. If negation of P double implication Q is equivalent to P and negation of Q or Q and negation of P. Now negation of a quantified statements. Quantified statements means for all and there exist. So for all होगा तो क्या लिखना है, इसका negation क्या है, there exist, और there exist का negation for all. Next, supposing words all is given, all लिखा होगा तो क्या, सम. सपोज ऑल लिखा होगा तो सम लिखा है तो ऑल. ठीक है. अंडरस्टूड. 5 connectives, negations and negation of a quantified statements. Now we will see how to write negation of compound statements with example. Okay. So now we will see examples of that negation. Write the negation of the following statements. Now first statement is given by all natural numbers are whole numbers. इसका negation लिखना है. Obviously all है तो negation में क्या लिखना है, कुछ changes करना है, some natural numbers, some natural numbers are not whole numbers. all होगा तो सम डालना है, सम होगा तो ऑल डालना है. सपोज स्टेटमेंट में नॉट रहेगा तो निकाल लेना है, और नॉट नहीं रहेगा तो उसमें पुट करना है. ठीक है. नेक्स्ट, फॉर ऑल n बिलोंग्स टू नेचुरल नंबर, n स्क्वायर प्लस n प्लस 2 इज डिविजिबल बाय 4. सो निगेशन क्या होगा इसका, फॉर ऑल की जगह पे क्या होगा, देयर एग्जिस्ट n belongs to natural number, obviously n square plus n plus 2 is divisible by 4 लिखा है, so is not is not divisible by 4. Next example is, there exists x belongs to natural number such that x minus 17 is less than 20. क्या होगा इसका negation? There exists लिखा है, so for all x belongs to natural number such that negation of this means x minus 17 is greater than or equal to 20. यहाँ पे क्या है, लेस देन 20, तो यहाँ पे क्या होगा, ग्रेटर देन और इक्वल टू 20. नेक्स्ट क्या है, यहां तक तो क्या सिर्फ क्वांटिफाइड स्टेटमेंट्स थे और उसका हम लोगों ने निगेशन किया. नाउ फोर्थ एग्जांपल इज डिफरेंट बिकॉज और इज देयर, राइट. x plus 8 is greater than 11 or y minus 3 is equal to 6. So let first we will assume P first statement, x plus 8 is equal to 11. Q second statement, y minus 3 is equal to 6. Now obviously symbolic form, symbolic form is P or Q. So P or Q. ठीक है. Next, since negation of P or Q is what? Negation of P or Q is negation of P and negation of Q. Negation of P or Q is negation of P and negation of Q. So negation of given statement is negation of given statement is x plus 8 is less than or equal to 11. X plus 8, because given क्या है, x plus 8 is greater than 11. So x plus 8 is less than or equal to 11. And negation of Q. So y minus 3 is not equal to 6. Y minus 3 not equal to 6. Now we will see some more examples. Okay, now we will see fifth example, which is given by, if it is raining then we will go and play football. You have to write negation of this statement. So for that, first assume P is our first statement, that it is raining. It is raining. Q statement is second statement, we will go and play football. Okay. Next, obviously symbolic form. P implication Q. If P, then Q. Okay. Next one, since negation of P and implication Q is equivalent to what? P and negation of Q. Negation of P implication Q is equivalent to P and negation of Q. So therefore negation of the given statement is P, means it is raining, and negation of Q means Q statement is we will go and play football. So negation of P, we will not go and play football. Okay. Now next example, sixth one, which is of the type if and only if. Quadrilateral is a square if and only if it is a rhombus. Here also same. Let P is first statement, that is quadrilateral is square. Quadrilateral is square. Q is, it is rhombus. Q is, it is a rhombus. Next, symbolic form. Symbolic form obviously P if and only if Q. P double implication Q. Now next one is negation of double implication is negation of, since negation of P double implication Q is equivalent to P and negation of Q, or Q and negation of P and negation of Q, or Q and negation P. So negation of given statement is P. P is quadrilaterally square. And negation of Q, Q is, it is a rhombus, so it is not next. Or Q is, it is a rhombus. And negation of P means P क्या है, quadrilaterally square, so negation is okay, P and negation of Q, or Q and negation of P. Quadrilaterally square and negation of Q, it is not a rhombus, or it is a rhombus and quadrilateral is not square. All of you understood up to this?